Hello, kindergarten. Are you ready to explore more time by the hour? I am. We're going to be looking at how to write and find for the 10 o'clock and the 11 o'clock hour. Now, there's a nice consistency with these practice pages, and there's a very specific reason, because there's really not all that much that changes in how we write or draw the time except for the number of the hour, okay? This is just an introduction to telling time. When I'm sure you remember overhearing when first grade did their time by the hour unit, it gets a lot more involved, a little more complicated, and a lot more challenging. That'll be due next year. Oh yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna take a look at our practice pages. Okay, so we're doing 10 o'clock. So let's do our minute hand all the way to the 12. And we're gonna go to the 10 o'clock, but just boop, halfway. Okay, super, super important to only do the hour hand halfway so it doesn't get confused. Okay, and then that's our analog clock. Let's do our analog watch. Same thing, minute hand at the 12, halfway to point at the 10. Now in our digital clock, it's gonna look just like this. The number 10, one first, then a 0, and then our 0, 0 for the minutes. We haven't gone into the 10 o'clock hour at all. We're still in that first minute, okay? And then you're gonna rainbow write or rainbow trace the words and numbers down here at the bottom, okay? And then this page, I'm sure you've got this by now. So this is gonna be super short. You're gonna do your maze for 10 o'clock, okay? Find your start, find your finish, okay? And then just put X's. Go ahead and drink some of it down, honey, so you don't spill. This sweet little girl of mine is bringing me a glass of milk. What a thoughtful sweetheart I have. So I highly encourage you to just put an X. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Can you get a paper towel and we'll clean that up? Are you okay?
I feel so good.
Well, but we need to clean that up though. Can you get a paper towel, please? Thank you, honey. Because like our 11 o'clock clock here looks really close to the 10 o'clock, okay? So, and then if you do make a mistake, ooh, look, there's 10 o'clock. Oopsies, no, that's 11 o'clock. Take a different color and put an X through it as a reminder when you go back through to color to not color that one because it was a boo-boo. It was a mistake, okay? So you guys have got this. You guys got this, okay? And then our 11 o'clock right here is very, very similar. This milk is staring at me. I gotta have a sip.
I sit down the opposite side.
Okay, good. Okay, so 11 o'clock, guess what? The minute hand doesn't change, does it, when it's on the hour? Always going to point at the 12 when it's on the hour. If it's any minutes past this, it's going to move just a little bit to show the minutes. That's what first grade learned with their time. Okay, and now we're going to go just halfway, pointing at the 11, okay, for our analog clock. Same thing for our watch, just a little, and then 11 for the hour, and our twin zeros for the minutes, because there are no minutes past the hour yet, okay? And then rainbow write, rainbow trace the time in numbers and in words. And then guess what? You've got another maze to find 11 o'clock, okay?
Wait, can I color?
So find your start.
Can I please color?
Find your finish, and then put your X's on the clocks. All right? Okay? You got this. You got this. Okay? And our math unit will go into next week. I'm really, really excited because in your packet for next week, don't peek yet. Don't peek yet. No peeking. No peeking. You'll find some fun activities that we'll get to do that go with when we start talking about when during the day certain things happen. I bet you remember, huh? And one of the activities is actually one of our centers. And it's such an important skill that I gave you guys copies of the cards and things that we would do in one of the centers, okay? So, time by the hour. Find those clocks around your house. Impress your grown-ups by telling them what time it is, because you are smart. Yes.
Do you even know
right?
we've been through that?
I do know that I threw it over my shoulder, and I hope your classmates are having a good giggle, because during times like this, it's super important for us to giggle. Speaking of giggling, what was that joke on your popsicle stick yesterday? Here's another giggle.
I still.
If seagulls, oh, will you stop hurting yourself?
I can tell.
If seagulls,
If seagulls fly over the sea, what flies over
the
the
bay,
bay?
we'll tell you in the next math lesson.
Bagels.
Or Lynn will spoil it right now. Bagels. Ah,
And there was another
what was the other one?
Let me just go get the stick.
What word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? Incorrectly. So go tell your grown-ups then and get them laughing too, okay? All right, have a good giggle. Laughter is medicine, okay? All right, have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time.
And sugar.
No, sugar's not medicine. Only in Mary Poppins. All right, we'll see you guys next time.